2 years ago, I started an Etsy shop selling Notion templates. I have learned so much by running this shop that it actually helped me sell over 5,000 templates on my own website. So why am I walking away from something that is technically working? It wasn't an easy decision because I actually have a course where I teach exactly what I've learned and what worked for me. And I have students that got great results, like Leslie. She was able to make over 50 sales in her first 3 months selling on Etsy. But I've been thinking about this for a while, and I know now is the perfect time to let go and focus on other things. And that's exactly what I'm going to be talking about in this video. Why am I quitting Etsy and what I'm going to focus on instead? When I first started on Etsy, I was working full-time for the NHS, 12 hours a day. I was so burnt out and I was craving freedom. And I'm not talking about just financial freedom, but also time freedom and creative freedom. I wanted to be able to do things that truly lit me up. At first, Etsy felt like the perfect fit because I didn't have to market myself, I didn't have to show up online, and I could just stay on my comfort zone and focus on creating listings. And all I needed to do was just to pray and hope Etsy would deliver my listings and show my products to other people. But over time, I noticed something. I wasn't actually growing my own business. I was working for Etsy. I had no control over. My revenue was very inconsistent, and it also kept me small. About 7 months ago, I made the scariest and most liberating decision of my entire life. I quit my NHS job to focus full-time on my digital product business. But here's the thing, I didn't just leap blindly. I spent years, even before starting my template shop, experimenting, testing things, trying to find out what I really enjoyed. I did social media management for some small business owners I knew. I created social media posts for them. I created some websites, and at some point, I even started studying UX design because that's what I thought it was going to give me freedom. But none of it felt right until I found out about digital products. That's when everything clicked. It actually blew my mind. Creating and selling digital products wasn't just a business for me. It was my ticket to freedom. Time, location, and financial freedom is what I value the most. To me, that's the ultimate luxury. I don't care about Range Rovers or Prada bags or anything like that. What I value the most is being able to decide what I want to do with my time, when, and with who. Letting go of Etsy wasn't an easy decision because it had been a huge part of my journey. But here's what I realized. Relying on Etsy or any other marketplace really is not a marketing strategy. Hope marketing, creating a product, listing it, and hoping it makes sales, it won't give you the freedom that you really crave. The truth is, many of us, we stay on platforms like Etsy because we are afraid of marketing ourselves and we are afraid to fail publicly. This very clearly with my students in the Passive Income Academy because they rather stay in Etsy and get miserable results than show up and start building an audience online because they don't want to show their faces, because they are afraid, and for so many other reasons. When you avoid marketing your products, you are not just avoiding failure, but you are also avoiding all the growth and the success and the freedom that could come from it too. I know this because I was that person. I was terrified of posting content online, especially because English is my second language. I was afraid of haters. I was afraid of friends mocking me, calling me little influencer and things like that. But then I realized that I had two choices. I could either play small, just do the bare minimum, or two, I could face my fears and see what would come out of it. One thing about me is that I love to write and I love journaling. I ask myself these two questions. What is the worst thing that can come out of this? So I wrote things like getting haters, bad comments, being criticized, being judged, getting feeling ashamed, feeling embarrassed. And on the other page, I wrote, what are the best things that can happen from this? One of my videos can go viral and I can make tons of sales, which, by the way, it actually happened. I can get brands paying me to do videos for them. I can meet other creators and make friends online and build a tribe, build a community of people that love the same things as I do. And I just started, the list was so big that it just became so clear that that was the path that I wanted to go. Just a short break to share with you a free resource. So if you are someone who's planning to launch a digital product this year, but you just feel overwhelmed by all the steps and all the things you need to do, I have created a free mini course for you that you can watch and take action. So there are 4 steps and you can actually create and launch your digital product in just 4 days. I have done the step-by-step in the video and you can just follow through using the template. The link is going to be in the description. You can just download it and get started straight away. And this is why I'm shifting my focus to a community-based business, and I'm gonna do that through the Passive Income Academy. I actually had to re-record my entire course, which took me 100 days to get it all done, so I can really dive into this new phase. The Academy isn't about selling products on other people's platforms. It's actually about how to empower yourself to take full responsibility for your own business, market your products, step into this freedom creator identity, and grow your business authentically. It's not just a course where you just have to watch and figure it out on your own, but it's actually a community where you can collaborate with other people, you can find other creators, you can network, and where you can get the tools, resources, and support to actually face these fears and grow your business. Because here's the thing, business isn't just about making money, it's about creating something that aligns with you, with your values, lets you help other people, and allow you to evolve as a person. So let me ask you, are you letting your digital products collect digital dust? Or are you ready to finally step into your freedom creator identity, take full responsibility, and market your digital products? Sometimes the hardest step is to let go of something that no longer aligns with you or with the version that you are creating of yourself. But on the other side of that fear is the freedom that you always wanted. If you are someone ready to take the next step, but you just know that you feel so overwhelmed to do it by yourself, I'll leave the link in the description so you can join the waitlist for the new Passive Income Academy. And once the doors are open, you're gonna be the first to know. I know it's safe and cozy to just stay in our cocoon, but remember, you are not made for that. If you enjoy videos like this, leave a like below and subscribe to my channel, because I'm bringing a whole new video all about how to sell Notion templates beyond marketplaces. If you are looking to start your website this year, go and watch this video next, because I teach you exactly how to start your website for free to sell your digital products.